After 30 days of delay, the Mubarak trial resumed in what lawyers expect to be the last big break before a final verdict. The delay was mainly to give time for a panel of experts to investigate both the corruption and the killing of protester cases. Mubarak is accused of ordering the killing of over 800 protesters. His sons are accused of illicit gains.
To continue in the case, the court must have an undoubtful expert report. So supposedly, the experts will investigate the gas export, the real estate values of Mubarak's family, or if weapons were used or not.
The sessions until October 21st will not be broadcasted on air, as the court will hear the testimony of top security officials. On Saturday, it called the former chief of Egyptian intelligence and the former chief of the National Security Bureau.
We requested the testimonies. We want them to clarify that the acts of destruction and killings that happened on January 28th in 2011 are exactly the same that happened after the evacuation of the Muslim Brotherhood protests. So I think there will be new defendants in the case.
This is a reference to the Muslim Brotherhood, who the defense believes have plotted the outlawed incidents in January uprising. In the first trial, only Mubarak and the former interior minister were found guilty and sentenced for life in prison. This retrial comes after the court accepted Mubarak's appeal. For security purposes, the court has prevented the media from discussing the details of the testimony sessions. So whether the former chief of intelligence has concurred the similarities between January 2011 and the evacuation of Rabaa or not, and hence the alleged involvement of the Muslim Brotherhood in the killing of protesters, will only be known when the hearing begins. Adel EL Mahrouky, CCTV, Cairo.